This plant-based milk maker was sent to me to check out, and I just love how easy it is to use. It's so convenient, and I appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing what all the ingredients are versus using something that's prepackaged. Taking a closer look at the milk maker here, it comes nicely packaged in this box with this styrofoam for transit. You get a little kit here for everything that you need. Your instruction manual, the 3-prong cord, and a little brush to help clean it. And then in here is a little measuring cup with lines, and you can see the stainless steel blades here. There are 10 blades, and this is a glass container. The first thing I did when I got this was use the self-cleaning feature. So here is just some water, put the top on and twist, and then press the buttons until I get to the self-clean, and then it automatically started. Here we go, and it will also automatically stop. Next, I cleaned it again, but using just a tiny little bit of dish soap this time, just to make sure everything gets clean before I use it for the first time. Again, it automatically started, and will automatically stop. And then I washed that out and plugged the machine back in. And now I'm going to make almond milk, my little handy instruction booklet with recipes. And here you can see there's no need to soak the nuts, so that is very important, really saves time. There's a list of optional ingredients, but this time I just used a few tablespoons of almonds and some plain water. I really love that you can make delicious things out of very, very simple ingredients, just 2 ingredients. Following the recipe guide, I used room temperature. That setting started the machine automatically and took about 5 minutes to run. And so the top stayed cool to the touch. The bottom got just a tiny bit warm just from working. Again, it shut off on its own, and now I'm just taking off the top. And look at that frothy, delicious goodness. It's all smooth. You don't even need to use a nut milk bag, which is absolutely essential. I've made nut milks before with my high-speed blender, and it was messy and took a long time. I had to soak the nuts and had to use a nut milk bag. Here, super easy, delicious too. One of the main things that I use almond milk for are overnight oats or chia seed pudding, but I would buy the packages and then they would go to waste, and so I'd have to throw them away. They're wasted, and they had weird ingredients in them for the preservatives, and now I don't have to use those at all. Just adding some dried fruit and some dried berries, and then these will sit overnight in the refrigerator. Will be a really great snack tomorrow. Super excited to use this machine to make more of these and try new recipes. Overall, this plant milk maker makes it so much easier to incorporate whole, fresh plant milk into my routine.